Mansalay.
Mindoro from the south.
The second municipality of Oriental Mindoro from the south. You can see the beauty of the nature in this municipality. Kami po ngayon ay utay-utay nang pumabalik sa bundok.
Bundok na
San Jose Occidental Mindoro. Going to Oriental Mindoro. Ang bundok na napakataas na natatanaw.